Welcome back to DIY Pneumatic Lab, place where pneumatics, electrical stuff and my questionable DIY skills collide to see what happens. Today at last we will try to connect this compressor to make some pressure that we can use to smash our cans. So everything that we see on this table we will use in the process. And my idea is that we will have electricity, compressor, we have like 220 back. We will convert it to 12 VDC because compressor needs 12 VDC to work, and we will connect it to this original filter, but it will be our receiver air tank. Yeah, and here we will have butterfly, not actually butterfly, but this small valve just to close everything off. And here we have also pressure switch that will be installed here, and it should to cut off electricity from compressor when we reach needed pressure. Yeah, but I think it will be interesting, and let's start. Not sure that it's a good idea to left these stickers on this stuff, because actually it contacts the metal part, and it, like, I think very stupid idea in the first place to put stickers there, but okay. Okay, our start electrical scheme is put on DIN slide, but my idea is that we will have this power cable with 3 pins, blue, brown and green one. Green one is ground, blue one will be minus, and brown one is a lead. So lead we will put in here, and then go in these 2 clamps, and then we distribute it to 24 VDC. I guess it will be handy soon enough, so I implement it already. And 12 VDC, it is for our compressor. This is a good chance to check our tool from AliExpress to clean wires. Let's check how it works. So let's try. I know it's 0.75 thickness, and I guess it's 0.8. Yeah, we cut some wires. I don't know, do you see it or not, but overall it's not so bad. Maybe I should try to use bigger one a little bit. 1, for example. We still cut the wire, but it's not so bad this time. And what if we use 1.3? It's more difficult to... Yeah, but still, we cut it. But I think it's not a big problem actually at this point. I'm not an expert, but I think it's should be like in different colors for each of type of wire, but I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I take light blue, because for me light blue is not symbolizing nothing, so I won't mess up actually. Again, in real world application you have special tool for that, but let's do it this way. I just like put it. Oh yes, great. It's very nice. Love it. I guess I broke this one. This is why I like this with screws, not automatic fixation, because this fuck bullshit. It's a little bit annoying, but okay. Okay, alright, okay. I believe I somehow can take it out, but yep. Yeah, I guess I was lucky this time, but need to be more careful. Maybe I should like put it in like when I'm pushing it and then remove, or just my disclamping solution is not really good for nothing actually, so maybe I need to just press a little harder. Okay, let's try another method, like take off this. A little bit longer clean wire. Now you see it's going through. Now it should. Yep, much better. Only thing is that, yeah, I should do it for all of wires, I guess. Oh, I already cut my new gloves. Nice. Yeah, it's not super clean cut with cleaning with this tool, because yeah, it's just rip also a wire. Okay, now it's more like it's holding there. Okay, let's continue. Now we connect the ground. Yep, it's in. And now we should put lead wire here. It's holding, it's good. Just to not slide off. And problem starts, because I was so smart and forgot to buy separate pins, just like wire to connect this everything. So I think I will cut this wire, clean it, and then connect everything. Yeah, so we got our 3 wires again. It wasn't difficult, but it was unnecessary. Let's call it that. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we will connect this one to our power clamps. It's like in the middle, gray one. so I don't need extra super long wire. It will be kind of short one, but it will be brown. Theoretically I could use one color for everything. It will be like more cheaper, but in practical way it will be very difficult to understand where something is going, and actually it's a recipe for disaster. Okay, I think I just don't know how to use it, because if I just cut, open and then push, it seems very legit cut. Yep, beautiful. Yeah, now I understand why electricians have special instrument for this clamping, because yeah, you can do it this way, but it's a little bit more time consuming. Like doing one wire like for what, 3 minutes. So yeah, if you need to do it like hundreds of these wires, it's totally pay off to buy real instrument for that. We are in. Perfect. So we need to do two more of brown ones, yes, and the connect one will going to here to lead, and second one will going here, and I hope so that here I can see some, yeah, also lead in this. Those Home Depot shops, I don't know why everyone wants to put their stickers on this working place, working surface. It's so annoying. Okay. Whew, it is easy, but like very time consuming. We wired our this part. It will convert our 220 vac to 24 vac and 12 vac. Now we'll use this one. But this is a place where things start to be interesting. Since I bought super cheap compressor, which is meant to be used for pumping balls, bicycles and car tires. It have this type of connector, and yeah, I think there is a two pin wires in it. Only way how to check it, it's cut it off, I guess. But is it possible I won't be able to put it on DIN slide, so I think it makes sense to leave a lot of wire here. So let's cut it. Yeah, it's very thin very thin wires in it. So we will try to open up a little bit, and we need to connect it here, but I'm not sure what is the best option here. How can I do that? Because yeah, wire's super thin, and I don't think that it's a good idea to connect it straightly to our pressure switch. Maybe I need to use these wires just to... Actually, I can't disassemble it and try to... okay, we see where cables go in. It's like just for small servo motor there. I guess I won't disassemble this compressor, just because if I do so, I think it's 100% stop to be working. So let's try this, and then we'll see what happened. What will happen? I'm not sure that this is right way how to do it, but I saw it on YouTube actually once, and yes, now I do it this way. Not sure is it correct way or not, but yeah, we just split wire in two, then so warp it one side and another side, and then you have this V-shaped wire, and then you twisted it one more time. Cut all this messy part and just put it like this. It's holding. Only I'm not sure, was it like brown wire or it was like blue wire. Okay, oh well. But let's think for a second. Any chance to know it? I don't believe that these wires inside have any color. And what could happen? The compressor just will rotate another way, I guess. At least my monkey brain says so. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's hope it will hold. Yeah, not super good, but let's hope it will hold. All right, then now we need to connect our pressure switch, but first of all, I think maybe I should just to test our compressor, just to be sure that it is working and not, for example, if it won't work and I will put this one in system, most likely I will be not be sure what is not working, this one or this one, because everything here is quite simple and I don't know, stupid safe if I can say so. So yeah, I think first of all, I will try just compressor without anything. And to do so, I need to and I don't know, do you see here? But here we also can see neutral, ground and lead, so we should connect it right way. Damn it, it shouldn't be so difficult. No, it's because I try to do it like with in gloves, or because I try to look at through camera, not on the object. I can't just. Oh, yeah, we are in. Never forgot ground, because yes, accumulated electricity in a circuit can burn everything down very easy and very fast. I think I need to redo it because of this. Theoretically it will be nothing because my brown wire is solid, but still, better safe than sorry. It's become to be a little bit annoying. It's like, when these 3 screws take me more time than all of this. Shit. Okay. Alright, and then let's connect it to, let's turn it off first of all, and connect to our oops, sorry. Okay, let's start countdown. Like 1, 2, I will put it on 3. 3. Okay, I'm just kidding. Everything is okay. I don't believe that this sound is very good, but seems it's working. But why? Why you are working when you shouldn't? Because theoretically it means that you are off. And nothing changes. Very interesting. Okay, but bad news is that our compressor is not working either. Okay, I did something wrong, obviously. I bring this stuff. Okay, so I'm measuring 24 should. Okay, maybe it's because yeah, it's like turned off now, but it's green. Turn on, but it's red. Like, you know, it's in my brain it works differently. Okay, let's go try 200 VDC. Do we have it here? Oh, neutral. Going through here. I will disconnect just to be sure that it's not powered on. Okay, let's then start to disconnect something and see where is the problem. It seems problem is our compressor. I just saw minus 12 volts. So it's kind of working, but why I don't see it? Oh. Okay, we have 13 volts here. Compressor needs to 12 VDC, but it's not working. And why it's so? Again, always disconnected. I was put it like blue to blue, brown to brown, so I think maybe I should just try to switch it. And since it's 12 VDC, nope. Yeah, this sound is not good sound, but why? But why? Okay, we have this sound. I guess it was this one. At the moment, only thing that I can think about it, it's maybe it's 0.5 amperes, that not allowing me to use compressor. Okay, after googling for a while and checking datasheet for this compressor, not actually this compressor, very similar compressor, also no name, also AliExpress, it seems this compressor need a lot of amps. It's like 10-12 amps, and this one have only 0.5, so I guess this is the big issue of not working. So I got this one. It is meant for LED lamps, but it have 12.5 amperes. Here we put 220 vac, and here we should have 12 volts. So let's try it. Okay, but to be honest, it's not looking right, but oh well, who am I to judge? Yes. Let's try second time. Connected. Let's turn it off. I gave the power and it's not quiet, but it's working. Okay, cool. Yeah, so when I ordered this one, yeah, I haven't checked that it's 0.5 ampere. I surprised that this little compressor need so much, but yeah, understandable it won't be 0.5 ampere anyway, so yeah. Okay, this is first part of what we create here, but now it's wobbling around a little. Yep, much better. Great. Okay, I guess we dealt with this part, but we have too many things to do. First of all, compressor have this kind of connection here, and this is good for tires or something else, but I can't to connect it to my pneumatic system, so I need to cut it and somehow make adapter to connect this type of tube, and it will be interesting. So let's put this aside, because I thought this will be easy part, but in real life I spent like 3 hours for this, and this I thought will be difficult part, so I don't want to know how it will end. What we see here? We see here and bare tube. Theoretically I need to put this this type of fitting, I guess you know, that fits in, and then I tighten it, but problem is that I can't find so small, and it is a little problem, but I have something like that. It's not a fitting at all, but maybe I can use it, but it's have some such nozzle, but I see it fits perfectly. Actually not bad at all. So I guess I will need to cut this out and yeah, try to put it on the some kind of tube, and then somehow to connect to it. Okay, while I was cutting, I remember that I found this type of tubing. Maybe I can push it in somehow, and then okay, we're going somewhere. Also, this is too small. Okay, I think I will try to push this one in how far as I could. Theoretically, yep, this will fit in. So it's a perfect match, but the only thing what I need to do is push it deeper. But if it's unbare, can I maybe heat it up a little bit and then try to push it in? What bad can happen? rhetorical question, I guess. We are going somewhere, but not far. Okay, nice. Actually, yeah, it was easier than I thought. Because I don't think it will go somewhere. So, great. It was pretty fast. Okay, and now boring path. Not boring path, but boring thing to do. Now I need to seal all these threads, and there is a lot of them, just to be sure that pressure not going nowhere. It is annoying, but it needs to be done. And also we will check this Teflon sealant what China guys sent to me. Oof, it's so thin that you on video I guess you can't see it, but you can see it through basically. Okay, I need to take it off because it's not possible to work with gloves. And this is a part where my brain always broke, because you need to put it, when you screw it in, Teflon should go same way, that should still not open it, but closing. So if I screwing this, but I just understood that I have a little problem here. Maybe not, but most likely I will have problem, because I want to, when pressure is reached needed pressure, I want to turn off this compressor. But if I turn off compressor, most likely it will drop the pressure. And this is check valve, but it's on 6th tube, and now here I have 8th one. Okay, but it's problem of future, so guess nothing bad will happen. Okay, up, connect here. Or this manometer is broken, or nothing is happening. nothing isn't happening. Nothing isn't happening. I start to second doubt that this compressor was a good idea. Okay, but if I close here, does it change something? Yep, it changed something. And what then is happening? Maybe it's so loud so I can't hear nothing, but maybe this, because it's automatic drain, maybe it can't to like close up, but it's so loudly that I can hear nothing. It's funny. I do not understand, because here we have pressure, we have like a super big leakages somewhere here, but I don't believe that. Okay, what we can do, we can take this off. Okay, it's filter element, and since we screw it off, we'll take it out. Just maybe it's making some resistance or something. But while I was screwing, I thought about one thing. I need to make soap water and just try to test all my connections with soapy water and see what will happen. Okay, here I have my soapy solution. Not really yet, but give me 1 second. Perfect. Let's try to check. It's not here. 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 It's not even here. Where the... There's no leakage. There's no leakage, but there's also no pressure. Okay, I found it. I found it. It's here. Problem is here. Oh shit, it's my life. So pressure is disappearing here, but what I can do with it? Okay, let's try another way. What if I took it out and put this in water? It's going. It's making pressure, but what the we somewhere have leakage, but leakage is bigger than, one sec. We somewhere have leakage, but this leakage is bigger than airflow that this compressor can make, and this is the reason why our pressure is not going up. And it's not going up. It's not going up. Okay. So I bring the bowl full of water, and let's try to find our leaks, because they are somewhere. Yes, as you see, huh. Now it's much better holding the pressure, because actually I heard how pressure is going out, but at least this time he can accumulate pressure and we hear this leakage. We still have their leakage. What the? How? Why? Why and how? Okay. Earlier I said that the thread won't go in full, but it seems now it is. Let's check one more time. You see how pressure go up? No leakage there. Woo! Theoretically we have some leakage. Good thing is that I don't need that check valve, but we have some small leakage because air is going out somewhere. I'm interested isn't here, but how I don't know how to test it. Yes, you see how bad situation is. I did very poorly screwing. Whew. Let's try one more time. Let's close it. Easy, we are going 6 bars, easy. No air leakage here, maybe here. Yes, where? I can't understand why. Is it also broken? It seems so. Also, this one is broken. Yep. No wonder that the guy sold it for 50 euros. All this stuff. Basically, this was broken here. And it seems to just get in place when I start to touch it. This is broken. I haven't found second one, this on-off valve, so I will use the flow the flow controller, and this will be right now. It's totally closed. That, yeah, we have our pressure. Yep, totally worked. Okay, at least we know that system is working, but we have some minor issues. I tried my best, but yeah, I broke the thread. This is how hard I wanted it to be sealed, but it seems I need to search another solution now. Yeah, I guess it was 1/8 of the inch. Yeah, but you also can see how damaged it become from screwing, so I tried to seal up. It's very hard. Good thing is that I guess I have now this type of connection also through 1/4, a little bit bigger. Maybe it even will be a good solution than previous. Actually, I start to think maybe this leakaging is all about this very thin Teflon, I don't know, sealant, because usually, yes, it's more thick, so maybe it seals better, because it is like a ridiculous amount of sealing. I forgot to close it. Let's Try one more time. Yes, we are going places. Save. Save. Not save. Not save. I hope I won't damage this, because I don't think that it's mentioned just to go swim each 5 minutes or something. Holy shit. It's like 16 bars there. Okay, I needed to change my gloves because those was soaking wet. Everything is in water. It's not the best combo, water with electricity. So safety first. And now what we need to do, we need to put one of those wires on this pressure switch, and it is normally closed. It means when pressure is lower that we configure here, it is closed. Circuit is closed. So with 0 bars, circuit will be closed. It will go to some pressure and then opened, and circuit will be break and the compressor will stop. I'm not sure is there particular any difference. Also, yes, particular any difference what wire we take, lead or natural. But I think it's better to take, like, I don't know, this one. Let's take this one. Sometime in future. Okay, we got so far, but now we need to connect this lead with this lead, and as usual, only good things, only good news. I have no wires somehow. Okay, I will use at this moment this one, but I will change as soon as possible, because yeah, it's grounding wire, and I don't want to mess my wires right away. And what we have here, we have it is too big, and 3. Okay, we'll see. Whew. It's a showtime. And why you are not again? I forgot it again. Okay, one more time. Okay. yeah, this is what I'm a little bit afraid of. See, when we have only very small leakage, the compressor start doing this. He start like do a little pumps and all working almost every time, but with very short period of time because we have only one signal that control it. Theoretically, we need two signals: one normally closed, one normally open, I guess, and then one will be on, and the second one will be off, something like that. But yeah, at least we have our pressure. We have still some leakages, but I think I should just buy glue for four threads, and this way how I need to do it, how I need to treat it. It was a very long video actually, almost 4 hours of real life time. But yeah, we have a pressure. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.